Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a Kirby me. I've done a lot of me's today. You want this face, these, none of these, and you want to make it like that. So that pink. Make him bald. I always used to think Kirby was a girl, but then I realised it was a boy. So you want these eyebrows, these positions. Maybe you're wondering why do we need these? Well, you'll see. And you want these, this colour, that colour. Pause the video anytime you need to. You want these eyes, these positions. And keep them black. Well, this nose, just because there's no option to not have a nose, so we're going to hide the nose. Oh, hang on, I forgot to show the positions. Ha ha ha. Silly me. These positions. Or did I? I don't know. I think I did. And you want this mouth, these positions. Then you want to have this. Or doesn't really matter which one of these you have. It looks the same to me, so it doesn't matter. No facial hair. No mole, because if you see, this one when you did the eyebrows, because it makes kind of a mouth, like, you know, like Kirby's mouth, it has, like, not a total circle, so you want it male. You want to make him as short as you can and as wide as you can. No glasses. Favourite colour pink, and type in Kirby. And then done. And there you go. You have made Kirby me. Hi, Polio.